My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that comes from the website Clickstrgo.online. The website Clickstrgo.online is absolutely faulty and deceptive. It basically tries to make you think that your PC is infected with 5 viruses or some other number of viruses, but this information is absolutely faulty and you must not trust all these fake alerts. Clickstrgo.online website deceives you and tricks you into clicking on this Proceed Now button. If you click on this Proceed button, you may be then redirected to some other junk page that may force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The point is that at the first glance it looks like these pop-ups are related to some decent application, but they are not related to that decent application. As I said, their real purpose is to make you download and install some other software that is often fairly considered as the potentially unwanted program. These pop-ups, by the way, may be the trace of some adware enabled in your computer. So first thing we recommend you to do is to remove any adware from the system, and we suggest you to do that automatically with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the website combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software, and then start carefully researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.